Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hand off designs with inspect or inspect mode in Penpot. Alright, so first up, you gotta open up your file or design. Now just gotta go to the top, click on the run icon or play icon, okay, or the view mode, and just wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you're gonna want to share it at the top right, click on it. Now click on manage permissions, okay? Who can comment, who can inspect the code, okay? Should it be only team members or all Penpot users, okay? Go ahead and select one of these options. Now, click on generate link, okay? Or get link. Click on it, and go ahead and click on the copy button and send it to whoever you want. Now, once they have the link and open up their browsers, okay, they can just go ahead and easily click on this code or inspect a button, and here we have it. All right, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.